Hey there, Andre here from PSDBox. This is a quick video showing you how to use and customize the Halloween Seamless patterns pack. Also, I have a basic blank image here in Photoshop, and I will just go ahead and use a pattern layer. I have this in Spanish, but no problem, it's just gonna work anyways. And these are all the patterns that are included in the pack. Now, if you want to have them here on this list, when you just add the patterns and you want to find them here on this list, what you have to do is just download the pack, extract the images, unzip the pack, and then go to your applications folder and locate the folder where you installed Photoshop. I use Mac, so I have it on this format. If you are on Windows, just look for, I don't know, maybe program files or something like that. Just look for Adobe. The thing is that you just have to look for the presets folder, and inside of here you have to look for the presets for the pattern. So just drop that FX pattern file here that you just downloaded from resources.psdbox.com. Put it right in here, and the next time you open Photoshop, you're gonna see the patterns on this list over here, so you don't have to look for it every time you want to use it. So basically, you will see that there are different kind of patterns. All of them are on transparent background. Just to show you, they're all on transparent background and they're all seamless. The reason why I created this on transparent background is so that you can use them on any kind of background that you want, any solid color, or if you want to add a gradient. And this is what I want to show you. I want to show you how to customize this. So for example, let's say I want to make a hero image or a banner or something like that, and you can either use a uniform color like this, or maybe your own image and have something like that. And let's say I want to have this, of course I could change the blend modes to have this on maybe overlay or soft light, let's say maybe something like that. Adjust the opacity. This color is too strong. Let's try something like this. Okay, and what if you want to have them black? Well, the only way to do that is you can add a hue saturation adjustment, clip it to the pattern layer, and then use the luminosity slider to increase the luminosity of this. And for some reason it's not working, and that's because I have this. You have to leave it on normal, and well, maybe drop the opacity or try other blend modes that work with this with white. Okay, so soft light would work. You can even color this. Let's leave it on normal, and if the pattern is black, like in this case, you can activate color, and all you need to do is just raise the luminosity a little bit and then increase the saturation, and you can give this whatever color you want. Let's leave the background white so you can see it better, or rather this gray. And with this hue saturation, you can change the saturation and you can give this any color you want. So that's one way of working with this. Of course, you can mix them if you want. You can add yet another one and use it on a smaller size, for example 50%, have something like that. Let's use a bluish tone for this, and maybe I want this to have it on, I don't know, maybe soft light. It's not looking good, but anyway, just a way of using it. Of course, you can change the scale of this. I suggest you don't raise this higher than 100%. Let's leave it on normal, because you will lose quality. But if you want to do it, these are rather small patterns, so if you raise this to 120%, you start to lose a little bit of definition. So these are the patterns that I wanted to show you. I hope you enjoyed them, and well, thanks for watching.